Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to englimia.com. Today we are going to learn part 2 of contractions in the series of how to be fluent. And this part will be based on modal verbs. What are the modal verbs and how they are used as contractions and how they are used in contracted form? Let's talk on that. Modal verbs are used where the situation is certain, there is found possibility or impossibility. They are used to make requests and to ask permission and to offer something. So we should know how these modal verbs are different from the rest of the verbs. Alright? So, इनको कहाँ यूज़ किया जाता है? जहाँ पे certainty पाई जाए, possibility पाई जाए या impossibility request करने के लिए या फिर permission के लिए या फिर offer करने के लिए किसी चीज़ को. ये 9 किस्म के हैं. There are 9 modal verbs in English language. Let's see them one by one. Number 1 is can. Number 2 could. 3 may. 4 might. 5 must. Then shall, should, will, and would. These 9 are modal verbs which are used in English language. And now we are going to see that how they are contracted or how they are used in a contracted form in the form of contraction in English language. यहाँ पे जैसा कि मैंने मेंशन किया कि may की कोई contraction नहीं होती, तो हम बाकी 8 के ऊपर बात करेंगे. Let's talk on them. As I told you in my previous video that there are 2 ways to make contractions or to contract verb. So the first one is the combination of verb plus not. So the first one is can plus not. Can't. Could plus not. Couldn't. Might plus not. Mightn't. Must plus not. Mustn't. Shall plus not. Shan't. So you can see it is not contracted as shalln't. It is shan't. Should plus not shouldn't. Will plus not won't. It is not used as willn't. It is contracted as won't. Would plus not wouldn't. Once again, can't, couldn't, mightn't, mustn't, shan't, shouldn't, won't, wouldn't. Now we are going to talk on another type of contraction, and that is the combination of pronoun plus verb. And you can see that will or shall can be contracted in this form. For example, the combination of I plus will or shall is I'll. I plus would is I'd. जो बाकी हैं जो हमने पहले अभी contractions पढ़ी हैं उनको हम pronoun के साथ contracted form में नहीं इस्तेमाल कर सकते. यहाँ पे एक बात बतानी बहुत ज़रूरी समझती हूँ. I'd की जो contraction है उसको हम had के लिए भी यूज़ करते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे बात ये आती है कि आखिर हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये had है या would है ये वाली contraction. इसके लिए भी मैं आपकी हेल्प किए देती हूँ. अगर apostrophe D के बाद फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब हो तो इसका मतलब ये है कि इस apostrophe को as would यूज़ किया गया है. अगर apostrophe D के बाद थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब हो तो इसका मतलब है इसको had के तौर पे यूज़ किया गया है. It is very easy to understand, but both of them have been pronounced same. I'd. Alright? I hope that you have understood this. You would definitely follow these tips and techniques to improve your speaking as well as listening. यकीन कीजिएगा contractions जितनी ज़्यादा improve होंगी आपकी उतनी ही ज़्यादा आपको English native speakers की समझ आएगी और आप जितनी ज़्यादा अपनी language में speaking में इसको use करेंगे उतना ही ज़्यादा आप fluent और competent समझे जाएंगे. I hope you will follow it. And inshallah one day you would speak very well. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.